Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. So you are requested to stay with me till an end without skip. Oh, before going to start, I have a request. Please subscribe the channel by click the button if you didn't subscribe yet. And thank you all who have already subscribed. Hello traders. I'm again here with another video. So let's begin to trade. This is Euro USD. Okay. Okay, I'm going with buyers. Okay, I have placed higher option here because I saw a round number here, and from this round number it made a green candle. It means buyers are interested in this round number. So that's what I want to follow buyers, and here you can see strong buyers entry. And if you check this area, there has only two sellers. Most of the buyers are waiting. That's what I have placed here higher option. So let's wait to close this candle. Okay. And another thing is my entry point is quite good. Okay, now I want to follow sellers. Okay, this is my winning trade because of my entry point. Okay, I want to follow sellers here because now I saw a direct sellers entry from this level from rejection point, and it got reject from this round number. It means buyers are waiting here, not here. Okay, that's what I have placed here lower option. So and sellers entry, and see. Okay, oh, sudden buyers entry again. Okay, strong sellers entry. Oh shit. Okay, I placed here higher option. I thought that candle was closed here, but it closed below than the round number. Okay, but again buyers entry. But this is not sure trade. If the candle close near to this area, near to this line, as I placed it, it is okay, and that is sure trade. But this is not my sure trade because candle already broke that level. End of the time, that time I actually didn't see properly, and previous candle I have this side, and I placed trade instantly. That's what. Otherwise I should skip this trade because of this breakout. So I am going to lose this trade maybe. Okay, this is my luck. I have won this trade too, but in this situation don't place trade. Better to skip in this situation, or always place lower option. This is my luck. That's what I have on this trade. Otherwise, when this candle broke by this level, always follow sellers, not buyers. Sometime you will face, if you place lower option, sometime you will face this kind of losses, but this is only few, like 10 to 20% times. If you place like 10 trade, you will lose only one or two if you follow sellers, but if you follow buyers, you will face like uh, 20% winning maximum. So this is the 20%, one of them. This is actually uh, luck for me. Okay, otherwise I would not win this trade. So hope you understand why I'm talking about. See, there are only few pips, only 2 3 pips are there, but 2 3 pips can make change that market direction. Okay, so when you see this kind of rejection, see already you can see upper rejection, lot of rejection there, and candle already this was the area, which area holding by buyers and sellers. See, strong sellers entry, again buyers, again buyers got rejection from this level. Okay, but that candle I have placed lower option because buyers was waiting. I saw strong buyers waiting here, and this candle actually uh, direct sellers entry, and when reach this level, suddenly buyers entry. It means buyers are waiting here, and candle close near to sellers area. That's what I have placed here lower option, and I have won. But this trade was not okay, though I have win, but this is not good trade for me because that level already broken. It means I should not place higher option even if I lost. But this is luck. That's what I have on this trade. Okay, so let me try on or two trade. This fast movement, and it's better to avoid this kind of movement because sometime you will face some losses. Okay, here you can see this is the area. Let me remove this. This is the area. Okay, where buyer was waiting. As soon as hit this level, got rejection. Okay, now see where the candle close. Main thing is, okay, I'm going with buyers, though this is risky, but I have placed higher option because still it seems to me uh, it is in buyers area. But since this is too strong sellers entry, then there has chance to another sellers too, like a strong candle like this. Okay, so this is risky trade. Don't place when you are not confident. uh, so let's still 30 seconds, but I may going to lose this trade because of this strong sellers. Or again, if my luck is like this, then I may win this trade. After this strong sellers I placed because still candle holding this area. That's what I have placed here higher option. Okay, see, maybe. Okay, okay, finally on this trade, but this is risky trade. So there has 50-50 chance because one thing is strong double candle. It can make another strong candle like this candle, seller's candle. But I placed here higher option because I can see the candle is still holding this area and didn't made a lower loss. If you check this candle, there is no new low. Okay, that's what there is, like maybe 1% is buyer or advance, like 49-51, maybe like that, but I consider as a 50-50. So in this situation, better to avoid trade. Okay, so see, this is not good market. I will try to place on more trade. If I got good candle, okay, this is already went up. Otherwise I will skip because uh, already about 300 plus profit in 4 trade. But if I was compounding this all trade, I would have good profit. Okay, no problem. I need only good candle, and this is my last trade. Whatever result comes from the trade. Okay, strong sellers entry. Oh, see, market movement. How you predict this market? Okay, I will have on chance in next candle. Let me wait. Here is no chance. One candle from like this, and there is no level, so do not place trade. See, there I can see on level. Okay, You may join my telegram group. Sometime I try to give some free signal there if I have good time, so you can watch them by join my telegram channel. Okay, it has broken. I'm going with sellers. Okay, I have placed lower option here because I saw new low in this market. There is see, there you can see only two candle, but this is a rejection from this level, but this is a new low in this market. And if you check another things, this was a previous high and it has been broken here. Okay, so when any previous high broken in sideways market, this time also will broke this this level here from down. It will it's supposed to normally like 70% of time it will broke this level in this candle. Okay, so let's wait still 5 seconds. Okay, I'm going to lose this trade. Okay, I have lost this trade and it happens. So all the time you should place here lower option only, because some see that trade already I explained here, already broken this area. Okay, so lower also it will broke. Most of the time it will break this level. It will not hold at that area. Okay, and this is all about analysis. See, already now broken, because it happens most of the time. It happens a bit 80% of time it will happen, but this on candle actually it's uh, made a wrong information here. This candle supposed to form here. Okay, like this. See, this this candle supposed to be red candle, and it sometimes it will close like this and sometimes it may made like this, because here when you see any level broken previously, this is sideways market. This is not all condition. Okay, you should check all the condition too. This is a breakout here. Sorry, this is a breakout here. It means this is a previous low. It will break out too. Okay, and after breakout it may made a strong like this, or if fell from middle of this trend, it will go like this. Okay, so always see, this is a breakout. Now it can made a uh, uptrend from here, or if it break from here, it can made a downtrend here like this. Okay, because this is a actually very important area. So uh, sorry, I'll try to place on more trade because on losses. Total I have placed 5 out of 5. I have lost on trade. Okay, see, now it's making actually downtrend. Now check this momentum like this, breakout this area. Again it's supposed to break out directly, but this was the main candle where I got losses. It's supposed to break out directly, and it may move up to half of this level, and it will start down, or it may direct enter buyers. Okay, engulfing, and this is a seller's area. Okay, I'll place on trade here if with some marginal safety. Okay, I have placed here higher option with some marginal safety because this is a round number, though I think downtrend has been started, but since still the candle didn't broke this round number completely, it means still some buyers are there. And since I have lost on trade, so I want to recover these losses from this candle. If I lost, then I'll stop trading. If I win, still I will stop trading. Okay. Okay, so this is my recovery trade, and see why I was looking for some marginal safety, because in this situation, since if you check, see, 1 pips is matter here. If you check, this is a round number. Okay, this is a round number which has been broken by this candle, but this candle has some buyers entry too, but few buyers are interested. Okay, and still candle close below than the area, but only maybe 1 pips or something like that. But in this candle has lower rejection is more. That's what I want to follow buyers from this level for 1 minute. But it's not good to place instant trade because of sometime it can happen like this. Okay, that's what I was waiting for, some marginal safety. So total I have placed 6 trade. Out of 6 I have lost 1 trade, and this is not my mistake. Most of the time, 70 to 80% time it will continue the market because of this breakout. So that's what I have lost this trade, and this is not my fault. Sometime it can happen, and already I explained this trade. So uh, thank you so much for watching this video. Please make a thumbs up and share the video with your friend, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.